for a closer look at the conditions out there on the roadways. Let's check in with Jake Holter. He's riding in Breaking News 1.
Hi, good morning, Kate. We are just now heading over the Henderson Bridge to check out what conditions are looking like over there. But as you can see, there's virtually no rain coming down quite at this hour. Again, it has been, minute by minute, whether or not it's pouring or like right now where almost nothing is happening. You can see here on the Henderson Bridge, it's wet, but there's definitely, there's no sort of pooling on the sides of the road, which is nice. It's still clear at this hour, but when we were working through the alternate route with the whole 195 West closure, there was definitely some pooling on the roads in East Providence. We saw quite a bit during a stretch in North Broadway. So that's just something to look out for, especially if you have a car that sits really low. You just want to be very careful going through any kind of water. And yeah, that's about the update for this half hour. Hopefully we'll be back on camera for 6 o'clock. For now, live in Providence, Jake Holter, 12 News, East Providence.
All right, and the big headline at this hour is the power outages, and in fact, it's impacting school districts. We have just learned that Charahoe schools are canceled for today because of the storm, most likely. So we'll get an update on that in a few minutes. But we've seen the number of outages jump from 100 customers impacted to thousands now, centralized in the East Bay area. Erica Ritchie's tracking those conditions for us and those latest numbers. Erica, what can you tell us?
Well, Kate, these outages are spiking every few minutes. Let's get right to the outage map for Rhode Island now. Show you what I'm talking about. East Providence has over 4,000 customers waking up in the dark this morning. You can see here almost 6,500 customers across Rhode Island are affected. The western part of the state, places like Coventry, Richmond, West Greenwich, Exeter, also has over 1,000 customers without power at this hour. And we do expect these numbers will continue to rise rapidly as those winds continue to increase throughout the early and late morning. And that's something that Rhode Island Energy will be keeping an eye on as well, since it's safety first for their workers.
We will not put, our contractors or our own employees up in buckets when winds are over 35 miles per hour. So, we want to get folks power back as quickly and efficiently as we can, but we've got to do it safely. And sometimes that does take time, especially if the weather conditions are presenting challenges to us and to those working on the restoration.
And Rhode Island Energy does have hundreds of additional crews in place to get that restoration done as quickly as possible. But keep what he said in mind there, that they're going to have to be aware of those winds and that may delay getting the power back on. Hey, we're just starting to see folks in Bristol County be affected by power outages as well in Massachusetts. Within the last 5 to 10 minutes, we've seen more than 800 people in Swansea lose power. And now we're also starting to hear of trees and telephone poles down across the area. So I'm going to head back into the newsroom, keep an eye on things there, bring you another update in 30 minutes from now. Kate, back to you.
All right, and if your power does go out, head to our Pinpoint Weather 12 app on your phone or other mobile device where you can track the latest conditions and any weather alerts in your area. We will stay on top of this throughout the morning and throughout the day.